All right, I'm going to show you how to send emojis on your Android phone. You can use emojis in almost any app that allows you to use the keyboard. In fact, emojis are sort of like their own keyboard on your phone. Text messages is maybe the most common use case, so we'll use the Messages app as an example here. Here you can add emojis by tapping the little smiley face towards the middle, next to the text input field. I'll tap that, and I can either search for emojis, or I can scroll this long list of all types of emojis that are available on my phone. On the bottom, you can browse by category, which makes it easier to find what you're looking for. Or just type a keyword in the search, and all the emojis matching that keyword will appear. Then just tap the emoji you'd like to send, and you can add multiple, or even add the same emoji several times. Go crazy and have fun with it, why not? You can send only emojis, or a mix of emojis and text. And once you're ready to send your message, you'll just hit the little paper airplane icon. To get back to the normal view, I'll kind of swipe down from the part where the messages appear. Or you can tap that smiley face button again, and the emojis will go away. Another way to access all the emojis would be on the bottom of your keyboard, next to the spacebar. There's another smiley face, and it opens a similar menu where you can choose and add emojis to your text message. The smiley face up next to the text input field is specific to the Message app, while this button down here next to the spacebar will be available across all your apps, system-wide. When you're texting, you can use either one, it doesn't matter, but you'll notice that in some apps, only the button on the bottom will be available. So, that's how you'd send emojis when texting. If I go to something like, let's say, email, you'll see how it's similar, but ever so slightly different. Here, I'm composing a new email, and you'll see how the only emoji button is the one on the bottom, next to my spacebar. I can use that to add emojis to my message, and to hide the emoji keyboard, I'll tap the little ABC button, and it brings back my regular keyboard. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know how it goes. Drop me an emoji in the comment section if it works, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.